So we have the Indiana Jones, the Temple of the Golden Idol. And if you watch the first Indiana Jones movie, it's based on the iconic opening scene that they had, Raiders of the Lost Ark. So I'm so excited about this set. Let's check this out. So this model comes with 4 Indiana Jones moveset character minifigures, including the famous Indiana Jones with his famous hat and his whip. So I know a lot of people are thinking a little bit hesitant on buying this kit because of the price point. However, everyone who's done this is super excited when they actually get their hands on it. It's well worth it. This is a set for a super fan build. It was really fun and interesting to build it. It's different than any other features out there. Overall, probably one of the favorite display sets that it's interactive, it has features as a cool touch, interesting technical build components too. One thing also, Lego makes it easy to build. This instruction booklet with color illustrations make it simple. On the bags I showed earlier, the bags are labeled with numbers and they correspond to the instruction booklet as well. So overall, Lego hit this one out of the park. 5 out of 5 rating.